Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next MCQ is ABO blood system is an example of option A polygenes, option B multiple genes, option C multiple alleles, option D multiple mutation. Our correct answer is C multiple alleles. Our next MCQ is which molecular structure of enzyme is essential for activity of enzyme? Option A primary structure, option B quaternary structure, option C secondary structure, option D tertiary structure. Our correct answer is D tertiary structure. Our next MCQ is which one of the following edible products is widely pasteurized? Option A soft drinks, option B mango squash, option C milk, option D orange juice. Our correct answer is C milk. Our next MCQ is ribosomes are tiny organisms which are involved in synthesis of option A protein, option B RNA, option C nucleus, option D nucleosome. Our correct answer is A protein. Our next MCQ is which organelle is bounded by two membranes? Option A ribosomes, option B mitochondria, option C lysosomes, option D nucleolus. Our correct answer is B mitochondria. Our next MCQ is at the beginning of nuclear division, the number of microtubule triplets in two pairs of centrioles that migrate to opposite poles are option A 9, option B 18, option C 108, option D 36. Our correct answer is D 36. Our next MCQ is the disease in which an individual has an extra chromosomal sex chromosome 44 plus XXY is known as option A Down's syndrome, option B Turner's syndrome, option C Klinefelter's syndrome, option D Jacob's syndrome. Our correct answer is C Klinefelter's syndrome. Our next MCQ is oversecretion of cortical hormone causes a disease called option A Cushing's disease, option B diabetes mellitus, option C hypoglycemia, option D Addison's disease. Our correct answer is A Cushing's disease. Our next MCQ is ejection of milk from mammary glands is under the control of which one of the following hormones? Option A androgen, option B oxytocin, option C progesterone, option D estrogen. Our correct answer is B oxytocin. Our next MCQ is granulocytes or option A monocytes, eosinophils, basophils, option B basophils, macrophages, neutrophils, option C neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils, option D monocytes, macrophages and basophils. Our correct answer is C neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. To remember this by the mnemonic of NEB, NEB. Our next MCQ is response of body against the transplanted organ is option A homeostatic response, option B behavioral response, option C primary response, option D cell mediated response. Our correct answer is D cell mediated response. Our next MCQ is some enzymes require helper which is non-protein part for its efficient functioning. That is called option A accelerator, option B cofactor, Option C, prosthetic group. Option D, hapoenzyme. Our correct answer is B, cofactor. Our next MCQ is pepsin, a protein digesting enzyme, sets best pH. Option A 3, option B 4.5, option C 2, option D 6. Our correct answer is C, 2. Our next MCQ is which one of the following is an example of competitive inhibitor? Option A, glucose. Option B, fumarate. Option C, succinic acid. Option D, malonate. Our correct answer is D, malonate. Our next MCQ is HIV is classified as option A, bacteriophage. Option B, oncovirus. Option C, retrovirus. Option D, icosahedral virus. Our correct answer is C, retrovirus. Our next MCQ is cyanobacteria are option A, photoautotrophic bacteria. Option B, chemosynthetic bacteria. Option C, saprotrophic bacteria. Option D, parasitic bacteria. Our correct answer is A, photoautotrophic bacteria.